Another beautiful day in New Jersey. Today is actually National New Jersey Day. To all of my fellow New Jerseyans, happy National New Jersey Day. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I focus on motovlogs, riding my 2020 Sand Dune Street Glide CVO that you see right here. I do product reviews, I do test rides, I do cinematic drone footage on my DJI MAVIC 2 drone. So do me a favor, if you're new and you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also, I want to give a special thanks to all of my current subscribers. We just passed the 350 mark yesterday. So to all of you that have joined the channel, thank you so much for joining. I know you have a gazillion options to choose from, and while I realize hitting that subscribe button is absolutely free, obviously your time isn't. Watching the videos and commenting, I very, very much appreciate the choice that you're making and spending time here with me as I show you these videos. So thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to sharing even more content with you as the channel continues to grow. My commitment on this channel is to do a minimum of 1 video a week. For the last 30 days I've been able to do 2. In some cases I do more than 2. But again, thank you for my current subscribers, and invite the rest of you that are watching this for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. You know, my goal is to get over 1,000. It gives us a lot more flexibility after 1,000 to do live videos and to do a bunch of other stuff that I'm interested in doing for the channel as the channel continues to grow. So again, thank you to all of my current subscribers. Welcome to the new ones, and to everyone out there that's watching this video, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. So I've got a great video for you today. I am actually celebrating my 20th anniversary with the love of my life. I've been blessed, and we are celebrating our 20th anniversary. And in case you're wondering what in the world I'm doing riding a motorcycle on my 20th anniversary, well, we had an appointment that was pre-scheduled, and she's there with our daughters right now, and I thought I would take the bike while she's there and show you the awesome beach where we're spending some time for our anniversary. And look, as you know, in this channel I've shown you lots of videos riding beautiful back roads, beautiful country roads, sharing all the beautiful things that New Jersey has to offer. And often I do both a ride and a drone video, and that's what this one is. I'm actually riding there now to show you the beach. I'm going to show you a 360 view. There's a great road here that you can ride the motorcycle right next to the ocean. It's short, but it's pretty cool. So I want to show you that. And then I'm going to launch the drone and show you the beach and the area where we're staying, which is in Long Branch, and it's called Pier Village. So you can really get a good sense for how nice this area really is. And if you're ever in the Jersey Shore, obviously there's 1,000 options to consider, but this being so close to where we are in Monmouth County, Long Branch, New Jersey is just under 20 minutes, or about 20 minutes from where we are. And they've done a lot of renovations in this area, a lot of investment in this area. It is up and coming, and you'll see it. Hopefully you get a chance and appreciation for it. Amazing restaurants, awesome places to hang out, arcades for the kids, ice creams. They have concerts, everything in Pier Village here in Long Branch. So I'm going to show you now in just a second the 360 view with the ocean to my right, and right after that I'm going to launch the drone, and then we'll get back on the bike, and I'm going to show you the rest of Pier Village. Again, just to give you a sense, it's a cool area to come hang out, family and friends. If you're on a motorcycle, it's great to come hang out. You can park it anywhere, go walk. The boardwalk is awesome here. It's got a long boardwalk, renovated. Again, a beautiful area here in New Jersey. So again, thanks for joining, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video, and then I'll come back to you in a second, and I'm going to go right to the 360 camera. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that drone footage. Let me give you a better view standing up here. Well, I just gave you I just gave you the best view from the drone, but I wanted to give you a better view standing up on the bike. All right, so I'm gonna head on over to Pure Village. All right, so I'm gonna switch right over to the Pure Village and show you that area here real quick. Let's go. So this is the entrance, one of the entrances to Pure Village. You can see the sign right there. That's another great place to stay. That's actually a lot bigger. It's called the Ocean Place Resort and Spa. I've never stayed there, but I heard it's also very nice. Also much larger than the place I've stayed before, which is the Wave Resort. Bunch of places, bunch of shops to hang out, eat. The beach is right there, and the boardwalk is also right along here. These are all great restaurants and places to come eat and hang out here. That right there is called Festival Plaza, and they got a bunch of concerts. And as a matter of fact, I've been here since yesterday, and they had a local band that were singing all Beatles songs, and they sounded pretty amazing. Reloading. If you're not already following, and chances are you are, Robert Simmons, awesome channel, one of the most amazing skills I've ever seen in riding a motorcycle. Robert Simmons, guy's the man. Go give his channel a follow. So this is the other side. That's Pure Village, or the center area for Pure Village. Check out this road. How cool this is. This place right here is called Baked Bear. They make custom ice cream sandwiches. Oh my goodness. Friggin' amazing. I had one yesterday. I'm having another one tonight. You should definitely come and check it out. And this is the Wave Resort right here. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Also, remember to subscribe. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future videos. Thanks for watching.